The Challenger 2 main battle tank was developed as a private venture to replace the previous Chieftain main battle tank in service with British Army. It is a further development of the Challenger main battle tank. The new tank is significantly more capable than its predecessor. It entered service with the British Army in 1994. Currently, the Challenger 2 is in service with United Kingdom and Oman. Recently, a couple of proposed modernization programs for the Challenger 2 tanks were proposed. However, due to budget cuts, British Army could completely retire its Challenger 2 fleet in the near future. In 2023, it was announced that 14 of these tanks will be delivered to Ukraine in order to defend against the Russian invasion. However, later this number was increased to 28 units. It is one of the most protected tanks in the world. This main battle tank provides a very high level of protection against direct fire weapons. The Challenger 2 uses CHOBAM composite armor of second generation. It is lighter than the original CHOBAM, but offers better protection. Tank's turret was redesigned. Explosive reactive armor kit can be fitted for improved protection. The Challenger 2 is fitted with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems. This main battle tank can also be fitted with visual and infrared smoke screening system, in short VIRSS. The tank is fitted with a new L30E4 120mm rifled gun. It is capable of firing a wide variety of standard NATO 120mm tank munitions. This gun is loaded manually. Effective range of fire with armor-piercing round is over 3,000 meters. The Challenger gun claims the longest distance tank kill in history. During the Gulf War, it defeated an Iraqi tank at a range of 4 kilometers. Secondary armament consists of two 7.62mm machine guns. One of them is coaxially mounted with the main gun, while the other is placed on top of the roof. Challenger 2 is fitted with a new fire control system. Some of its components are similar to the US M1A1 Abrams and French Leclerc main battle tank. Its fire control system has a high hit probability against stationary and moving targets. This main battle tank has a battle management system similar to that used on the M1A1 Abrams. Furthermore, British tanks can interchange information with US tanks. Vehicle has a crew of 4, including commander, gun, loader, and driver. The Challenger 2 is powered by a Perkins CV12 TCA turbocharged diesel engine, similar to that on the Challenger 1. This engine develops 1,200 horsepower, though comparable Western MBTs, the M1A2 Abrams and Leopard 2A5, have more powerful engines, developing 1,500 horsepower. The Challenger is famous for its mechanical reliability. Suspension has been improved, particularly a hydraulic track pre-tensioner was added. The Challenger used a hydropneumatic suspension instead of the previous Horstman-type suspension of the Challenger 1. Despite an increase in weight, the Challenger 2 has similar cross-country performance to the previous vehicle. Additional fuel tanks can be mounted at the rear of the hull for extended operational range. It can also be fitted with a dozer blade. It is worth mentioning that all Challenger 1 MBTs can be upgraded to the Challenger 2 standard. Variants of the Challenger tank. First, Challenger 2E Export variant with a number of improvements. Second, Trojan Armored Engineering Vehicle. Third, Titan Bridge Layer. And fourth, Driver Training Tank. Challenger 3 main battle tank was first unveiled in 2021. It is based on the modified hull of the Challenger 2. The tank is fitted with new turret and is armed with a new 120mm smoothbore gun. Engine and suspension were upgraded. The new smoothbore gun can use the most advanced globally available ammunition. Protection has been improved. Overall, the upgraded Challenger 3 is deadlier and better protected than the Challenger 2. A contract was signed to produce 148 of these new main battle tanks for the British Army. Initial operating capability is expected by 2027, and full operating capability is expected by 2030. This will allow to extend service lives of the Challenger 2 hulls up until 2040 and beyond. Thanks for watching.